In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your Twitch profile. So if you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To do that, we tap on our profile here. You see the arrow on your screen there. So on here, we just tap the edit profile straight away and you hop on this page here. So you can start your edit by tapping on your brand and you change the photo. You can use an existing photo. You can change your banner too as well by tapping on the pencil and you do that. Your profile picture, you do same as well. And your username, you can tap on that to change your username. So I need 53 days more to change it. I changed it recently for a tutorial and I didn't post it. And your display name too, I think you can change it every time. So you see, yeah, let me make it Kirada and then you tap on your save. So this time, okay, so it works this time. Yeah, so display name and username should correlate. And then you can add your social links. So if you have a LinkedIn, you don't add LinkedIn here, you can add your YouTube channel, you can add other Discord and the rest. You add all of them there by just tapping on the link here, title of the link, YouTube, and you add the URL. After that, you tap on the save here to save it, and that's it on how you edit your profile on Twitch. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.